Morning, everyone. This is Eric at Palm Harbor Homes in Bryan. It's week 4 of my training, and then also week 4 of Why Palm Harbor. So this week, just a reminder that I did exceed or meet my goal of doing at least a 5K and then getting the average time under 20 minutes. So thinking about what my goal for February is, well, eventually I got to start at least jogging a little bit of this half marathon. Otherwise, if I try to walk that full marathon or that half marathon, fully walk it, it might be spring by the time I get done. So we got to make sure that I get a little bit of walking in there, a little bit of running in there, jogging at least, and then I got to make sure that I ease myself into it. You know, someone who's had multiple knee surgeries, have arthritis in both knees and hips, got to start it off a little bit easy. So my plan is to jog a little bit of it, walk a little bit of it, jog a little bit, walk it. So today the goal is to jog 30 seconds of it, walk a minute, 30 minute, and then just do a couple laps of that. So that's the goal today. As far as Palm Harbor, got a special guest here at the Model Center this week, and I'll let him introduce himself. Barry, how are you doing today?
Great. How are you doing?
Doing all right. So I'm here with our regional vice president, Barry Forrest. So if anything, I guess the biggest thing really is, I always tell them, why Palm Harbor, and they hear from me, they hear from Ken, they hear from Matt. But I would like for you, in your own words, tell our clients and our potential clients why Palm Harbor.
Well, why Palm Harbor? I've been here for over 25 years, and the reason I'm still here is because of our commitment to our customers. It's number one, our factories are committed to building the highest end, best value in the industry, and also from our salespeople to the factory employees, to me, everybody's compensation is also aligned with customer satisfaction. It's very important. We get bonuses. Our sales trips are all, based on having a certain customer satisfaction. So everybody's committed to it. Number one, it's the right thing to do. But number two, when your company sets it up to really motivate the team to take care of the customers, that's why I would buy a Palm Harbor. Best built home, and you got people that work there that are committed to your satisfaction. And an investment this size, and building a home, getting it installed, utilities, all the things that come up, there's a lot of things that can go wrong with contractors, as we all know. So having somebody that's going to stand behind it and be committed to you is why I would buy it.
All right. I sure do appreciate your time. Thank you.
You bet.
Thanks. All right. So you heard it from the horse's mouth. We're going to make sure that you're taken care of as a client of Palm Harbor Homes. And the one thing I like about Barry is that he makes sure that he puts us in the best position, along with our GM Matt, make sure we're put in the best position to get you taken care of. So thank you for listening or watching this video. Just kind of give you an update. I was able to do 3 laps, jogging 30, walking a minute, jogging 30, walking a minute. Did that for the whole entire time before I just plain tuckered out. So I'm just going to build on that, and then that way, the next time you see this video, we're looking at almost 2 miles of doing the same thing. So if you have any comments about or questions about Barry, what he said, or any questions for me, just comment below or just give me a call at 979-775-7558. Look forward to hearing from y'all. Y'all have a fantastic day.